Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to install SatoWallet and then sign up, log in, and then how to send and receive BF token. Okay, first we're going to have to visit the SatoWallet website, and that's SatoWallet.com, and there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is the PC version. Well, we're gonna use the PC version right now because they kind of have the same interface, and I've already installed the PC version on my PC. So here's the PC version. Okay, if you don't have an account, you just click on this sign up to sign up, and or this register right here. Okay, you type in your name, full name, email address, set up a password, and referral email if there is any. And then click on sign up to sign up. And if you already have an account, you just go to login and log in like I'm doing right now. And then log in. It's gonna take some seconds to log in. Okay, good. Then we're going to use BF token. Okay, we can either scroll down and look for BF token. Well, BF token is right here, or we can use this search bar right here to search for BF token. BF. Okay, BF token is right here. Okay, this is my BF token balance, and this is the equivalent balance of this BF token in this GNF currency. So if you want to send a BF token to a friend, you just click on the send here and type in their address. This is not exactly what an address looks like, it's just an example. Then type in the amount you would like to send, and if the amount is kind of too much, then you can just reduce like this. If you want to add, then you just click here, and it also shows in currency here, in fiat currency, and here is the fee deducted. It also shows in fiat currency, and you can add your transactions coming here, and then click transfer, and your transfer will begin. And if you'd like to receive a coin, then you just go here, receive, and the person you are receiving the coin from will have to scan this barcode right here, or make use of this address to send you the coin. Okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So let's go to currency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Right now I'm using this GNF currency, so I'm going to switch to another currency. It's a long list of currencies, so we're going to pick one. You're going to use USD. Okay, it's going to take some seconds to change. The currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins to see what happened. Okay, you see, before here it was showing another currency, and now I changed my fiat currency from that currency to USD. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.